Hi everyone, this is Jada with Kicksite, and in today's video, we're going to focus on invoices and maybe some different scenarios that you guys might run into while creating invoices. So from your dashboard, as a reminder, if we go to Finances, it's always going to open up to your invoices. Now, invoices are always going to be generated through the finance section. So this is where you're going to always go to run a transaction or record any payments. So we'll go to add new in the right hand corner, and it's going to open up this window here. So type in the name, select them from the drop down here, make any changes as needed in the invoice details. Now, when we go to add an item, you'll notice we can select in here and we can actually select from our inventory that would have already been generated. Say I was going to do a water bottle. You'll notice if we have any tax applied through inventory in a particular category, that tax will automatically be applied. You won't have to make any changes there. But say we add another additional item and I select in here, and maybe this is a drop-in fee. And drop-in fees are not something that we do on a regular basis, so they're not in our inventory. So I can type that in this box and make sure we hit add drop-in fee to actually add it as a inventory item here. Now, we'll want to add in the price accordingly, and then make sure that we choose our appropriate revenue stream for this item. Now, you'll notice we can't add tax for any one-off items that we add, so make sure that we have that in our inventory if we want to apply tax to that particular item. Now, if we scroll down, everything looks great. We'll hit add, and then you'll notice a green box in the bottom right hand corner where I can view now. Now, this will take you into the invoice that you just generated, where I can go ahead and pay it if everything looks great. Or maybe I notice in the items that, oh, I meant to actually put 2 water bottles for Jada. Now, we can't make any edits to the invoice that we already created, but you do have the void option. So if we select void, just make sure we give a reason for why we are voiding this. Now, this is the best way for you to reconcile any mistakes that might occur on an invoice. And once we can confirm that it is voided, we can go ahead and start that process over and create a new invoice to reflect any changes that we need.